Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to enable or disable on-screen keyboard in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for settings. You can also press Windows and I key together, and by that you would be able to bring up your settings. Click on open or tap on it so that you can proceed. Once you are here at the settings, directly proceed at the left side of that where you can find a list of the options. Look for accessibility, which contains three categories, which are vision, hearing, and interaction. You need to proceed with the interaction section and look for keyboard, which contains sticky filter and toggle keys, and the on-screen keyboard, which what we are looking for. So tap on it so that you can see all of such, and you need to scroll down and go with on-screen keyboard. So you can see there on-screen keyboard and aligning to it, you can see there an option where you can turn it off or you can turn it on. So in order to enable such, you need to turn it on. And in this way, you would be able to enable the on-screen keyboard here in your Windows or computer. Okay, so this is good, especially if you have a problem on using some of the keys in your physical or built-in keyboard. You can use this on-screen keyboard as your alternative. Okay. So let's say if you want to disable such, all you need to do is you need to navigate the same process, and that is here at the bottom search bar again, type for settings. By the way, you can also press Windows and I key together, and by that you can open or bring up your settings. So once you are here, you need to proceed with the accessibility option again, tap on it again, okay? And here you need to scroll down for the second time, go with keyboard. Okay, and turn it off. If you turn it on, you can turn that off. Okay, turn it off. You can also, if you turn it on, if you enable that, you can also close this or select the X icon, and by that you would be able to disable or close your on-screen keyboard. Okay, but let's say if you want to use or enable your on-screen keyboard easily without opening or accessing your settings. And by that, you can now simply press Windows key, Control key, and letter O key together as in open, and with that you would be able to enable your on-screen keyboard. Again, press Windows key, okay, Control key and letter O key together, and by that you would be able to open your on-screen keyboard. Okay? And if you want to disable such, you can press Windows key, Control key, and O key together. And by that, you have just successfully disabled the on-screen keyboard in your Windows. Okay? So those are the steps on how to enable or disable the on-screen keyboard. Knowing those shortcuts or knowing those steps is very important, especially if you have facing some error on or issues on some of the keys that you have in your physical or built-in keyboard. Knowing that strategy or technique or life hacks is very important so that you can continue on working or you can continue on using your keyboard even if with or without the physical or built-in keyboard in your Windows or computer. Now, if you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.